CCNA versus CCNP. So now when I say CCNA versus CCNP, there is a difference, okay? So try to understand any training or any certification you do, consider it in two parts, okay? One is the learning that you're getting out of that particular training or a particular certification. That is, I'll call it as a training, that you do a CCNA training to learn what happens in CCNA. You do a CCNP training to learn what happens in CCNP, okay? So, and if you go for certification, then I'll say CCNA certification, CCNP certification. Actually, a lot of people are asking us these days, especially to our team at PyNet Labs, our counseling team, Mr. Nitish, and everyone else in the team, right? They're asking us, and through LinkedIn, through Quora, through YouTube community, and a lot of places people are asking us, what should we do? We have already done? Okay, so now assumption is that you have already taken CCNA training, be it online, be it through any particular recorded portal, or self-study, or through any other training company. Okay. Now, a lot of people are asking us one question, that should we go for CCNA certification or should we start learning CCNP, which is, let's say, by default we are assuming routing and switching, we are assuming CCNP NCore and CCNP NRC, okay, ENA RSI, okay, you can check out. So we are assuming that right now. So now, what is our advice? What is my personal special advice to you? CCNA certification? No. CCNP Enterprise Training Knowledge. So now you can go for CCNP training knowledge instead of going for CCNA certification, because especially in India, if I tell you, we know, everybody knows, people sitting in companies know, your technical manager know, you know. A lot of people undertake certification through proxy channels and all, right? Don't do it. You may be able to get a CCNA certification and you'll call yourself as I am a global CCNA certified person with zero knowledge. And it does not matter. Any interview you appear, why you're getting it. Okay, so let's come to the objective. As I always say in every video or every counseling sessions or any mentoring sessions, I always say, let's talk about the objective. So what is the real objective of your studies, of your learning, right? It is simply to help you grow your career, grow your financial stability, and get you mental peace, right? And get you more time with your family. This is the objective, right? You want to travel around the world. You want to, take out any hobby. You want to go fishing. You want to go rafting. You want to go, parajumping. Anything you want, right? So now, to achieve all those things, simply focus on your skills. Certifications come later. And even a lot of corporates will sponsor you those certifications. If you work with a company, ask them, they will ask you for a 6 months bond or maybe 1 year bond, an extra agreement kind of thing, and they will sponsor your certification simply. Take that, right? This is one. Second, when you ask me again, comparison between if I should go for CCNA certificate and CCNP knowledge. See, when you go for a CCNA knowledge, you have basic idea about, OSPF, subnetting, basics of BGP, some parts of automation, and simply this, right? As per 2022 newest syllabus, right? And basic switching. But when you go for CCNP NCore and CCNP Enterprise NRC, right? You get in-depth knowledge about, your CCNA topics and CCNP topics. You are able to answer things confidently in terms of routing, in terms of switching, in terms of troubleshoot, anything. You're there in any interview, anybody asks you, okay, Deepanshu, do you have a CCNA certification? You say no, but ask me anything related to routing and switching, I'll be able to answer you. Maybe you'll be able to answer that HR or a tech person better than him or her as well. This is what you need. This is how it works. It is all about your knowledge. It is all about your skills in the end. Certification you can do after you have good skills. So as I always say, focus on CCNA, focus on CCNP. That is how you build your base and then grow. Okay, all the best.